How to Watercolor, your step-by-step guide to watercoloring. Written by HowExpert Press. Narrated by J.C. Diane. Introduction. Painting with the watercolor medium is an immemorial art, followed by the Chinese, Egyptians, Europeans, etc. We have seen the perfectly preserved art of cavemen depicting simple scenes using twigs or bones as brushes and dried vegetable powders mixed in water as colors. Watercolor painting offers an adventurous challenge even to experts. The unpredictability of the medium of the resulting painting often surprises the artist. The artist must learn to harness the unpredictable nature of the painting to his advantage. This skill can be developed only through experience. The objective of this guide is to teach you the different aspects of watercolors. We will cover the proper selection of paraphernalia, starting with an introduction to the various washes, brushstrokes, and techniques used to create images of landscapes, still life, people, and anything else you can imagine.